If you or someone in your house takes allergy medication every day, you need to stop scrolling for the next 30 seconds. A major recall just hit store shelves across the country. And it's not the usual wrong label kind of recall. This one involves a completely different drug, ending up inside allergy pills. A mix-up serious enough that health officials are calling some of the possible reactions life-threatening. Let's get into exactly what happened, what to look for, and what you should do right now if this bottle is sitting in your medicine cabinet. The product at the center of this story is Cetirizine hydrochloride, a 5 mg antihistamine tablet that a lot of people know simply as a generic allergy pill, the kind used for sneezing, itchy eyes, and a runny nose. The manufacturer behind this batch, an India-based pharmaceutical company, announced it was pulling 4 specific lots off the market, all sold in 100-count bottles and distributed to pharmacies and retailers nationwide. So this isn't a small regional issue. These bottles could realistically be sitting on shelves or in homes anywhere in the country. Here's where it gets concerning. This wasn't pulled because of a labeling error or a packaging defect. Investigators say some tablets in these lots were accidentally cross-contaminated with a completely different medication, ranitidine, a drug normally used for heartburn and ulcers, not allergies. The problem surfaced almost by accident when a pharmacy worker counting out pills noticed something odd. Several tablets had unusual reddish spots and discoloration that shouldn't have been there. That small detail was enough to trigger a full, nationwide recall investigation. So why does mixing up these two drugs actually matter? For most people, taking the wrong pill occasionally might just mean the medication doesn't work as expected. But for anyone with a sensitivity to ranitidine specifically, the reaction can be severe. Think swelling in the throat and face, difficulty breathing, a sudden drop in blood pressure, hives, or, in the worst cases, anaphylaxis. Health officials have been clear that these are life-threatening possibilities, not minor side effects. The one piece of relatively good news so far is that, as of this recall announcement, there haven't been any confirmed reports of people actually getting hurt from it. But that's exactly why they're getting ahead of it now, rather than waiting for something to go wrong. Once the contamination was flagged, the manufacturer notified its main U.S. distributor, based in New Jersey, which then pushed the alert out to the wholesalers and pharmacies that had received these lots. From there, it becomes a nationwide chain reaction, retailers pulling stock, pharmacies checking their shelves, and now, health agencies pushing the message out to consumers directly. This is the standard playbook for a serious pharmaceutical recall. Find the source, trace the distribution chain, and get the warning in front of as many people as possible before anyone else even notices something's wrong with their bottle. So here's the practical part. If you have a bottle of generic Cetirizine hydrochloride 5 mg tablets at home, it's worth taking 2 minutes to check it. Look at the packaging for the manufacturer name and lot number, and compare it against the recalled batches your pharmacy or the FDA's site can confirm. If your bottle matches, stop using it and bring it back to where you bought it most. Pharmacies will handle a return or exchange for a recalled product without any hassle. And if you've already been taking it and notice anything unusual, swelling, trouble breathing, a rash that won't quit that's not a wait-and-see situation, that's a call your doctor or head to urgent care situation. Recalls like this move fast, and honestly, most people never even hear about them until it's too late to check their own cabinet. So if this video helped you catch something, do the same for someone else. Share it with a parent, a roommate, anyone who takes daily allergy medication. Subscribe if you want these safety alerts the moment they break. And drop a comment letting us know if you've ever had a recalled product sitting in your house without knowing it. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.